Here I've got MAXCOM MK241 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to personalization and locate date and time. Here it is. Now you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off and then select the date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also have an automatic time zone or you can switch it off. Simply select the time zone that you would like to have. As you can see, there is plenty of them, so you will definitely find someone suitable. Let me pick this one. And finally you can check the format of your clock, so simply click on time format and you can pick either 24-hour or 12-hour format clock, so it's up to you, just select the one that you prefer. And that would be all. That's how you can change date and time on your device. And then if you'd like to go back to default setup to automatic one, simply tap on auto sync and then go to on. So as you can see, it has been updated and it will be set up automatically. So that would be all. That's how you can set up date and time on your device in your MAXCOM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.